what is Forex, or commonly called FX? Okay, foreign exchange. So it's a global market, which which means sort of anybody can trade in Forex and make a good return from it as well. All right. Essentially, it just allows the exchange of one currency for another, and you have to take advantage of, let's say, one currency falling and another currency gaining, and this is how you make money. You buy one and sell the other, and this is how you're going to make money on trading Forex. Okay, so anyone can do it. You do obviously need to know a little bit about the Forex industry before you start trading. You can't just do it blindly, which is one of the main reasons why I do what I do. This is why we're doing this webinar. So, pay attention to what I'm saying, please. And if you do have any questions any time throughout the webinar, please post them on the chat in the GoToWebinar platform we're using. So, it is the largest financial market in the world. $5 trillion a day are being traded on the Forex market every single day. Okay, so $5 trillion of trading volume. That basically means exchanges, the liquidity of the financial of the Forex market. The liquidity is it's a $5 trillion a day industry. Okay, so this is what I mean by it being a global market. Okay, it's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and this is great for international investors. People who live in America are asleep while I'm executing my first trade. So, and so on and so forth, so it just means that it's open all the time and you can always get in and make money as long as it's between Monday and Friday. So essentially what happens is, on a Sunday night, let's say, when the market is just opening, we'll start off in Sydney, then Tokyo will open. These are the stock exchanges I'm referring to. So the Sydney Stock Exchange, Tokyo, the Nikkei, the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Then Europe will start opening up. So London first, then Frankfurt in Germany follows very shortly afterwards. They open at the same time, but sometimes Germany open about sort of 30 minutes later generally. And then obviously New York, the New York Stock Exchanges open up. Okay, so this is what I mean by it being a global market. Okay, just a very simple analogy to explain what Forex is. Think about going on holiday, okay? And let's say you're leaving from London, you're going to New York, all right? And you have £100 in your pocket, and you know that you're going to need some cash when you get off the plane in New York, all right? So you go to the Bureau de Change and you give them £100. They give you roughly, with the current exchange rate, they're going to give you about $120. So you then leave the Bureau de Change, you have $120 in your pocket. For whatever reason, your holiday gets cancelled, you can't get on that plane, you have to go back to the Bureau de Change and buy your pounds back with the dollars that you just bought, okay? So one transaction has already been made, okay? So you've bought dollars with pounds. Now a second transaction has to take place. You have to get your pounds back, but you have $120 in your pocket. Are you going to get exactly £100 back? No, you're not. Okay, and I'm sure you've all been in this sort of similar situation. You're going to get roughly, let's say, for example, around 95, 98 pounds back. Now that's what we call spread. Okay.